Yo. Alright, so we have about 23 minutes before the market opens. Um, let's get to it. There's no news this morning, so gonna work on levels only. Alright, I realized that well, I don't even realize, I'm still trying to figure it out if it is that when there's no major price movement in the market, that or anything like a catalyst, that the levels like open, high, low, and close work pretty well. And yesterday we had that where we had the high hit prior day. I was trying to break this high and go higher than that with the high hit from prior day, and then price just tanked. And I took the long up. I was trying to go for longer, and then price just reversed on me, and we can see the aggressive selling that happened there, where price was not being able to move. The aggressive selling happened and basically absorbed my trade, cutting it in half, leaving me to a 1-to-1 versus the 2-to-1 where I was at. But I did risk it because I was going for a higher and a deeper move versus what was provided. All right, so I was looking for a deeper move. So now that price is now here at this low value node of 20 on the 25 tick chart, we can see that price is kind of bouncing off of it, and I'm kind of holding it. I don't know what else we have below, but we're zooming out to get a clearer picture. I'm gonna just delete some things here, and then I'm gonna put the low of day, high of day, settlement price, right? Those normal, typical things, and then we'll get to our levels because I do want to move a little faster because price is nice little bounce. Price is moving around a bit, right? I don't expect this pull down, this drop down to really last long. I think we're gonna get a news catalyst that pushes price up because we haven't reached our 10% above the 10% above the all-time high. I still think we're still aiming for 6,800. We still got about 500 more points to go. All right, so this might be an opportunity to add some more if anybody's trying to go like long still in the market. All right, so we got the high here, and the low look like it's right down here. All right, bam, right, and essentially that's really what I'll be working with. I think I'm gonna look at the 1 hour, the daily, to see if there's anything else that popped out that makes sense. But that's what we're working with. Do I have a settlement price I can snag? I'll snag this one here. So look, we gap down. No, look, we went through it. Yeah, so I just grab this one and put it over here, and then do this here. All right, so boom, so you can see that price probably touched it right at the end. All right, and essentially that's pretty much it as far as this one goes here. We're still in an uptrend. Yes, we did sell off. We sold off into what? I'm not sure yet. Maybe this, but sold off into this little buying here pocket. Okay. All right, some areas where price might bounce as far as the 4 hours is concerned. All right, so let me zoom out mentally. Okay, we had this support line that got broken. 30 minutes. This is a resistance line. All right, it's being supported. Check it a few times. All right. Sure, I'm not missing anything. 15 minutes. Same thing there. This was quite important. Alright, I should have just followed that. Maybe just too much things, too much information to take in. Alright, and then we have something down here. Alright. Alright, so now we're gonna go to the range chart and see what we got. Alright, so we have a little buying here. And we definitely had selling up there at the top. Alright. And then I want to zoom out a little bit. Oh, this is where the thing was, but so support level is there. Okay. Let's add some days to it. Okay. Let's go to the 25 tick chart. Auto volume at its close. Let's go to the 50. I'm gonna do the regular 50 for a closer look, and let's go 75. Okay, we're inside of this selling, aggressive selling right here. Alright, so let's do a regular 75, 50, 25, 20. Definitely something here. Alright, but I don't see much sticking out. So, alright, we're just still figuring this stuff out. Alright, so let's go to NQ. We're gonna do the same thing, quick top down. Sell. So NQ really destroyed some levels. Stop there. I ain't got much, so I'm just gonna mark this like that. I clear all of this. I didn't put the NQ's 10%. Shame on me. just below the weekly low from last week. Broke the heck out of that. Okay. And then 75. All right. I'm tired. All right. So in a sense, that's it for me for that. Let's go to VIX. Let's just do VIX real quickly, and then I'm gonna call it here. About to just shut down. VIX gapped up. Son of a gun. What a loser. So that means that we may see some more upside coming up soon. VIX freaking gapped up on this. Alright, so I'm just mark the highs and lows from yesterday. And then we're just gonna, yeah, yesterday was Tuesday. I'm just gonna call it a day with this. Cause yeah, I was wondering what the heck VIX was doing this whole week. It just felt weird. Just getting ready to roll over on us. Okay. Anywho's, I don't know where VIX is at. Alright, so that's it. VIX probably not a reliable source today. Market opens up in 9 minutes. We are done. For now, taking it slow. Nothing too serious. Alright, no real news coming out. We do have news at like 10:30. That's pretty much it. Let's check this right quick. At 11 p.m. FOMC minutes. Probably just walk away by noon anyways. I don't plan on staying in front of this chart long. I'm getting tired of being in front of the charts. That's really how I'm feeling. Like I just want to just quickly trade, get on with my day. It's been an ebb and flow. Oh yeah. So no news day. So range is open, close, high, low. Um, go through this time frame one more time, looking for any strong candles. All right, and let's see if there's anything in those strong candles that sticks out. All right, I don't see anything in this one here. 4 hour. It is a massive candle. Right, like if I look at it like this, right, a massive candle. I don't see any shorts in that candle. If I go to Heikin Nashi, right, this would be the range, right, which is this consolidation zone right here. You can see that price struggle to even come back to it. 30 minutes back to the regular candle format. You can see that this is my candle format. I guess so. All right, you can see that block. All right, so not much sticks out. I don't really see anything. We had dead volume. We had a buy, dead volume, and then drop and sell. But the 5 minutes would be my most one. So let's look at that real quickly. All right, so I'm gonna focus on this little zone right here, right? Because price went up and then eventually it broke it, and this is our little area right here that I'll use as a focal point, because this is an absorption area that failed to absorb. Right. So I like to see sell here or buy above. No, you can buy into it. It's about 20 points, or sell. That's the only thing that really sticks out. Everything else, not so much. I mean, we had a strong buy in here, but you know, it's that. I think we can go to the 64.40 area, 64.39, as an area of interest. All right, be